Hi there, students. Hinder, to hinder. Or it could be a comparative adjective, hinder. But let's look at the verb to hinder with the noun, a hindrance. To hinder means to make more difficult, to impede, to act as an obstacle, to obstruct. So the bad weather hindered our progress. It made it more difficult for us to progress. To hinder, to keep back, to delay, or even to prevent. So Ronaldo's injury is clearly hindering him in today's match. To hamper, that's another good synonym. Okay, to hinder, to interfere with action or progress. Notice, hinder, we can either have to delay or to prevent. So my computer wasn't working very well, and that hindered me in my homework. My computer stopped working and it hindered me from doing my homework. So the first, notice with the context, to make more difficult, and the second, to stop completely. The civil war is hindering the distribution of food aid to the people who need it. Okay, so notice, to hinder somebody from doing something. All these interruptions are hindering me from doing my work. They're slowing me down, they're stopping me. Yeah? So, to hinder, to make more difficult. And I'd probably give this word something like a 6 in formality. I think you could use it in an informal conversation and in a formal document. Hinder here comes from Proto-Germanic. They had a word, hinder, Old German. Hinder, which meant behind, back, or beyond. Now, let's look at hinder. Well, hind is an adjective meaning the rear or back part of something. So, hinder is the comparative. The hinder parts of a horse. But notice this, I think this usage is quite unusual. I think it's probably restricted to anatomical English. You might even use the word as a noun. He sat on his hinder, on his bottom, on his bum. Yeah? I think the adjective hind is used. Hinder, this is really quite unusual. So, to hinder, to make more difficult. It's a regular verb. He hindered me. He has hindered my progress. Okay? So don't let anything hinder you from watching my videos, and don't let anything hinder your progress in English. So there you go. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. To hinder or hinder.